music to my ears. This weekend, Minnesota is about to see a whole lot of history through music to celebrate Black History Month. The Sound of Gospel, an anthology depicting the rich history and evolution of gospel music, is coming right here to Minneapolis. And let me tell you, I got some giants in the studio here with me today. We have director Javita Steele and producer Reverend William Pierce here with me today. Both of you, I'm so thankful to share this space with you.
Thank you.
Why did you create something like this for the entire Twin Cities community?
Well, I grew up around gospel music, and my father was a gospel singer. And growing up in Mississippi, I've heard all the songs, the shouts, the quartet, the traditional gospel, and I knew the impact it had on my life. And we grew up on Sunday morning, you heard gospel music. And I wanted to share that same experience that I felt growing up, with that music and how it inspired, encouraged, not only me, but my family. I wanted to bring that experience to Minnesota.
It really is an experience. I mean, I grew up very similarly. Talk to me about what we can expect, because you all are bringing a lot of different people from different places together.
We are. It's going to be a spectacle. Not so much in the sense of lights, camera, flash, but it's a lot of energy, and it's original, and it's authentic. We are going to cover it from Africa to today. And so we're going to hit it and make sure that every element of gospel music is celebrated.
We're going to get a little taste of what people will get a chance to experience, but real quick, what can everyone learn from gospel music? I'll start with you and go with you.
We'll learn that how music inspired, encouraged all through slavery, civil rights movement. Music are always essential to our life as African American and people of color. And so you'll learn how that music not only inspired us back then, but continue to inspire us. No matter what color you are, what race you are, you would be able to experience that with us that night.
Absolutely. And it is not discriminative. It is culturally sound as well as expansive. So it doesn't leave anyone out of the conversation, and it's morphing. So because it's ever changing, everyone will be able to relate to it, and I think we'll have a great time together. So come on out.
Yes.
I love it so much, and of course, we'll have all the details for you at KARE11.com/noon. But first, we are lucky enough to have a performer, Armando Dickerson, in the studio to give us a sneak peek of the show.
Yes.
Take it away.
There was a woman in the Bible days who had been sick so very long. She heard the Savior was passing by, so she joined the gathering throng. And while she was pushing her way through, somebody asked her, "What are you trying to do?" She said, "If I could just touch his hem, I know I'll be made whole." And she cried, "Oh Lord, oh Lord, oh Lord, oh Lord." She said, "If I could just touch his hem, I know I'll be made whole." Well, she spent her money here and there until she had no more to spend. The doctors did all they could, but their medicine would do no good. But when she touched him, the Savior